Hi folks,
We back again.
we are back again. We're back again with our next episode of
Cook4we, and we
Alright.
are going to make smoothies. Smoothie.
it's Smoothie. Yeah, today we're going to make smoothies. So what kind of smoothie do you think we should make today?
Chocolate banana.
Chocolate banana. Alright, here what? Before we move on to what smoothie we're gonna make, dangerous things.
Yeah.
Who's saying the dangerous thing in the kitchen?
Me.
Alright, Zane, let me hear the dangerous things.
Scissors, knives, hot water, hot stove, and oven.
Right, so that's the dangerous thing we have to look out for in the oven. But you're talking so soft.
Yes.
Alright, so what kind of smoothie we gonna make?
I see milky panacos, so.
Nah, we have to make our own thing.
We have.
We put peanut butter too. We're gonna make a bomb.
Yeah. A ball.
This is fruit and veggie. So
Fruit
this
and
have
veggie.
so this have berries, strawberries. What is
But
the ingredients here? What is that?
strawberries, bananas, and blueberries,
And
kale.
kale, right?
Kale. Wait, what? It's our kale in it. Yeah, I'm just gonna take one. Wait, what? Daddy might want to take one. So now we can put it in?
No.
Yeah, that's enough. Wow, it smells so good. Yeah.
Smelling good?
Yeah, it's smelling good.
Alright.
Oh,
Alright.
smells icy.
So we put in. Alright, yeah, Zane, go ahead, you put that. Alright, and then we will put some.
Chocolate chips. Or like that. Since it have a little bit. I want to put in.
Let's see, that's okay.
Put it in there. Nice. We're gonna put it in.
Chocolate chips.
I think we should have put in chocolate chips now.
Granola.
I wanna put in the granola.
What
Wait.
granola you want to put in?
No, none with raisins. All, I guess.
What? You trade it in here? Alright.
Alright, that's good. Not yet. Wait, Daddy, how much we making?
I think that's enough in Zane.
Yes, that's enough. Yeah, that's enough. Daddy, how much smoothies we making?
All this could be enough for 3 of us.
Alright. Smash it in. I want to put in the peanut butter because Zane do too. Daddy, I need to put in the peanut butter. I am going to put in the peanut butter. Yeah, bring the peanut butter. This?
More than that? Yeah, bigger spoon.
And then another spoon. Big spoon.
Alright. Take a big gulp. Put it in.
That is big. Take that, Diana. I wanna try this. That is big.
Boom.
Now the milk.
No, not yet.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so what we have so far?
Milk.
What we have so far?
Strawberry thing, peanut butter, granola, and barely any chocolate chip.
Bananas, you gotta put bananas.
It have banana in there. In the strawberry thing, it have banana.
More bananas.
Banana time. I'm a banana.
We'll put one more banana.
I'm a banana. I'm a banana. Wait.
Put the banana.
Okay. Wait, do you? Whoa. I didn't want to. No. No.
There you have the peel the banana first before you put it.
You crazy, Daddy?
You crazy, not me.
You have to peel the banana first. That's my number one rule. Well, okay, the 26th rule.
Peel the banana first.
Oh, right.
Right?
Yeah, I know. Peel it.
Right, break it up and put it inside.
I will break it.
Break it up
I will
small.
break it. Next, I'll break it. No, I'll break it up more. Okay. Nice. 4.
Yeah.
Now put it here.
Right, need some ice now.
What? Yeah, put it in one by one. No, that is not one by one. Okay. One by one. Not one by that. Oh, like that. One by one. No, Hannah. I'm supposed to do it. Right. What? Right, last one. Wait. Right. Nice.
Right.
That's done.
Put anything. Milk.
Milk. No.
We're using almond milk.
I wish you didn't have chocolate milk.
Yeah, but we already put chocolate in it, so.
Yeah.
Milk.
But chocolate milk could have been better. That is done. Okay, now let's put that cover on. Hey, wait.
Wait. One more ingredient.
One more. What? That
Vanilla essence.
vanilla essence. That's going to make it better.
Nope.
Daddy, I think it's going to explode. What?
Yeah, we hope not.
Dad, can I close it? Alright, come on. Right, thank you. Daddy, how do we put this thing on? Oh, what's that? Wait. What?
Wait, we can't forget the #1 Caribbean flavor,
What?
Angostura bitters.
What? What is Angostura? Oh, is you think I just put on ice cream? Yeah, nice. Anything else?
That is it.
Good. Right, now let's close it. Close it. And press the T. Ryan, why can't this? What?
Right.
Why can't I put T? How do you
It have to go like this.
Oh.
So this arrow here, you can see this arrow here.
I don't know about it.
This arrow here have to face this arrow here.
Okay.
Right, and then press down this. Right.
Noise. I wanna
Put
turn it
on
on.
the power.
I wanna press it.
When the red light come on.
Alright, it on.
Alright, press blend first and then crush. So now it's time for
the okay? Drinking taste test.
Right.
I want to open it.
Right.
Good. Let's smell it. Daddy, I want to smell it.
Huh? Huh?
That smells good.
Let's taste this bomb.
Daddy, I want to drink this. Right here. It's great. Daddy, I'm drinking it.
Did you get that ready?
Tastes very good.
Did they really wait for us?
Wow!
Did they wait for us, boy?
Seriously. Okay. Now it's time for the drink taste test.
And you taste it, just how it tastes. You tell me how it tastes.
It tastes like blueberries.
Okay.
Blueberries.
What about you?
Alright. And Demi, Daddy? Daddy? Demi? Wow. That tastes good. Tastes good, man.
Yeah, man.
But I think
Missing
you
anything?
But Daddy, I think you gone overboard with the ice.
Too much ice?
Yeah.
You fancy?
I'm feeling some kind of crunchy thing, but it's tiny, but it's still good.
Yeah, that is the ice and some granola. We should do this more then.
Yeah. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Leave a comment, let us know, what you think you want to try or what you think we should try, and we take it from there. Right?
Like, log in. See ya. Bye.
Yeah, but who gonna drink all that? You gonna drink all of this?
Yeah. Yeah, me too.
So that mean, well, you don't need no lunch today then?
I need lunch.